Hi everyone, thanks for coming to my channel. Today I will dive into a topic everyone is talking about, which is AI. Everyone keeps saying that AI is here to replace certain job positions, and people are so worried. The truth is, AI isn't replacing Scrum Masters' position. However, Scrum Masters who understands and know how to use AI will replace the ones who don't. So today I will break down the AI tools every Scrum Master should be using right now. We all know that there are so many AI tools out there, but I will just talk about the ones that I know. If you know any AI tool that's good for Scrum Masters, please share in the comment section because I also love learning from others the tools they are using. Remember, check with the company that you're working for to see which AI tool they are currently using because companies are very strict in terms on what to use. That's something you have to think of before using any of the tools I will be going over. Let's get into the video. A lot of people think that AI is here to make you lazy. Do you agree to this? I personally don't agree with that. AI is not here to make you lazy. However, it is going to help you be more efficient. Now let's talk about the areas that you can use AI as a Scrum Master. The first area where AI makes an immediate impact is the daily stand-up. And we all know that sometimes most stand-up calls can drag for long, and that is because most of the time they turn into a status meeting. There are AI tools that can help collect updates before stand up and summarizes the real issues. These tools are pretty much AI assistant tool. It will help collect updates before the daily stand up meeting and summarizing the main blocker that the team is having. Here are some tools that you can use. You have the DailyBot, Geekbot, and Lupin AI. These tools will help gather updates and highlight the top blockers, risks, and priorities for the day. Again, these tools are not here to make you lazy, but to make you more efficient and help identify the main issues that's holding the team from moving forward. Basically, by the time you walk into the stand-up call, you already know the issues the team is having. Here is a sample prompt you can use. Summarize the top blockers for the team and highlight anything that may impact the sprint goal. This prompt will summarize it and give you updates and highlight the top blockers. This will help to shorten all the long stand-ups by 50% while increasing clarity. The next Scrum event that you can really see a lot of benefit is backlog refinement. We all know how the backlog refinement sometimes can take hours. AI tool like ChatGPT and Claude help rewrite user stories, generate acceptance criteria, and break down large epics. All you need is this one useful prompt. Rewrite this user story using the invest criteria, then generate acceptance criteria using Gherkin format. If you're using Jira or Azure DevOps, the built-in AI features can flag unclear stories, predict effort ranges, highlight dependencies, and identify risk areas. This can really transform backlog refinement into a very good structured process. Now let's talk about how Parable AI tool. This tool can transform your retrospective by analyzing anything you might miss. Parable's AI retro insights can read through your team's notes and automatically group feedback into themes such as delays, communication gaps, or capacity overload. You can use this one simple prompt, analyze all retro notes, and generate 3 improvement themes with owners, actions, and expected impact. By the end of the retro, you will walk away with clear action items. Your team will get a lot of information to help for continuous improvement, not just conversations during retro. You can also use some AI tool for sprint planning, and planning will become very valuable. The Linear's Forecast or Jira AI will analyze your past velocity and help determine how much work your team can realistically commit to. You can use this prompt and ask, what is the forecasted completion probability for these stories based on the team's past performance? AI will estimate capacity, risk, and delivery timelines, helping you set achievable sprint goals. I always believe that with better planning, your team will have a smoother sprint and the team will actually finish what they start because they are clear with the scope of the sprint. A little disclaimer, this video is not being sponsored by anyone. These are just some of the tools that can really help you be more efficient. Whether you're a Scrum Master, Agile coach, or small business owner using Agile, these tools will save you hours every week and help your team move faster with clarity and focus. That's it about this video. If you are currently looking for a Scrum job or need help preparing for an interview, I wrote an ebook, Ace the Scrum Master Interview. This book will help you stand out with confidence. You can check it out at comcotechconsulting.com or check the link in my bio. Thank you and see you in my next video, and please don't forget subscribe.